To improve your credit score with CreditSaint, it is essential to understand common issues that may arise and how to address them. First, it is crucial to monitor your credit report regularly, as errors or inaccuracies can negatively impact your credit score. Check your report for incorrect personal information, accounts that are not yours, and incorrect payment history. Another common issue is credit utilization, which is the ratio of your credit card balances to your credit limits. Keeping your credit utilization below 30% is vital, as high utilization can lower your credit score. For example, if you have a credit limit of $1,000, try to keep your balance below $300. Late payments are also a significant issue, as they can drastically lower your credit score. Set up payment reminders or automate your payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Additionally, be cautious when applying for new credit, as too many inquiries can negatively impact your score. To avoid these issues, it is recommended to space out your credit applications and only apply for credit when necessary. Furthermore, consider working with a credit repair company like CreditSaint, which can help you identify and dispute errors on your report. By following these tips and being mindful of common issues, you can effectively improve your credit score with CreditSaint. Remember to stay informed, monitor your report, and make smart financial decisions to achieve a healthy credit score.